Yes, you read the title right. I'm gonna teach you how to make stunning videos without any editing experience. No matter if you use a desktop editing software or the one on your mobile, the method works for all. Let me tell you how it's possible. You see, editing isn't just cutting clips. It's painting with light, motion, and effects that make the whole thing come alive. On the other hand, there are some ready-to-use assets in the form of MP4 or MOV files that require you to drag and drop them onto the video you're editing. That's what we're trying to leverage today, and I'm gonna use Pixflow's extensive library of drag and drop templates, which come with lots, transitions, overlays, and many more options for editors like you. Let's start with color. Enhancing the color of the footage is a profession in and of itself. But with the help of lots that are color grading presets, I can drop in a cinematic lot from any of the color grading packs we have in pixflow.net and get a cinematic look in seconds. You can apply it to an adjustment layer or your clip directly. Boom! No grading skills required. You get that teal orange blockbuster look or soft pastel film tones all with one click. Next up, transitions. These are the easiest to use. Just drag and drop the transition video between your clips and set the blend mode to screen or add. Now you've got a buttery smooth transition. No plugins, no nesting, just drag and drop. Creating cinematic textures can be overwhelming, but using texture overlays is a walk in the park. From light leaks that wash your screen with emotion, to lens flares that pulse with energy. From film burns that hint at vintage reels, to cue marks and scribbles that scream raw and real. Layer in VHS textures, grains, and those iconic frame letterboxes, and you've got a video full of personality. Instant character, no extra effort. You can even stack multiple overlays for custom vibes. They're ready to use and work in every major editor. Now let's combine everything. Here's a simple edit. I've color graded it, added drag and drop transitions, dropped in a couple of overlays, and added some textures. You don't need advanced skills or heavy software, just smart assets and good timing. Everything I use today comes from Pixflow's library of templates, which you can find from the link in the description. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thank you.